Hello guys. So my name is Paris, and I'll be reading this book called I Love Dogs, by Sue Stainton and illustrated by Bob Stake. So let's get reading. I love dogs. I love dogs. Dogs, dogs, dogs. Strong dogs, long dogs, cozy dogs, noisy dogs. Lazy dogs, crazy dogs, racing dogs, chasing dogs. Speedy dogs, greedy dogs, dogs in the snow, dogs that know. I love dogs. Dogs, dogs, dogs. I love dogs. Spotty dogs, dotty dogs, crinkly dogs, wrinkly dogs. Yappy dogs, happy dogs, fluffy dogs, scruffy dogs. Prowling dogs, howling dogs, dogs in the park, dogs that bark. I love dogs. Dogs, dogs, dogs. I love dogs. Curly dogs, burly dogs, scary dogs, hairy dogs. Naughty dogs, haughty dogs, shaggy dogs, waggy dogs. Trendy dogs, bendy dogs, sniffy dogs, whiffy dogs. Dogs that are famous, dogs that are smart, dogs in the news, dogs in fine art. Dogs that wag tails, dogs that chew bones, dogs in big houses, dogs without homes. Dogs, dogs, dogs. I love dogs. I hope you guys enjoy the story time, and you can check out this book at your local library. The end. Bye.